How to download music on Documents app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Documents application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browser. Go to the search bar and type in Pixabay. Then, go to pixabay.com. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. And then, tap on Music. Scroll down to find the music you want to download and then tap on the 3 dots beside it. Here, tap on Download below. Then, tap on Done above. Now, go to the bottom left corner and tap on My Files. From here, go to Inbox. You can now find the music you just downloaded over here. Following these steps, you can easily download music on Documents app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.